Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI. If you are looking for a way to easily get all of your greens in, then check out these Smarter Greens from Force Factor. I use this green powder in my protein shakes every day. I really like the fact that I'm getting probiotics, superfoods, my minerals, my vitamins for the day. It's a very fine powder. You only need 1 scoop and it gives you everything that you need. This doesn't replace, of course, eating healthy and eating your fruits and vegetables, but it definitely has added supplements in there for a healthy lifestyle. I also like the fact that you can't taste this at all. It adds a green color to your smoothies or your protein shakes, but it has really no flavor and it has good ingredients in it. It blends really nice. It does not clump at all. Even if I use a shaker bottle, it blends really nice in there. So if you're looking for a supplement for your shakes, your smoothies, for your diet, then I would highly recommend this one. It tastes good and it's good for you, and it's an easy way to take care of your body. And that's my point of view.